333 billion emails. Stats prove that's the average number of emails sent and received each day in 2022. Now, I'll admit, I receive hundreds each week. And even if I scroll through my inbox, and even if someone has cleverly created a subject line that really catches my eye, and even if I decide to click and open the email, if I see a sea of words, I'm out. I simply don't have time, and my brain is already processing through so much information and to-do lists, business concerns, family needs. It just doesn't want to slow down enough to process through that many words on a page. But statistics prove we're much more likely to click play on a video message, especially if I recognize the face or if the title speaks to something that I am currently struggling with. Hi, I'm Marie Wattier, video marketing expert with Momentum Virtual, and I want to grab just 3 minutes of your time to share how video email marketing can make a huge difference in your marketing efforts and can really create some loyal fans out of your marketing audience. So here are just a few quick ways video email marketing can help you grow your list. First, open. Videos are going to get more people to open your email and click on those next steps. Instead of a salesy headline, try something like a quick video message from Marie or inside 3 steps video guide to whatever it is you really want them to learn. Letting them know it's quick to consume and it's a video has proven to increase open rates by 19%. And that is huge in the world of email marketing. Number 2, engage. Now, stats prove that attaching a video in an email marketing campaign leads to a 200 to 300% increase in the click-through rate. That means a massive increase in people who are engaging with your email content and clicking on the link that you shared to move them to that next step, whether it's to purchase or to opt in or to get on a call with your team. And next, share. Video content helps your viewer easily digest more content, so it really helps them connect to your brand. Research shows that viewers retain 95% of a message when they watch it on video. Now that's compared to only 10% when reading it in text. The human brain just processes visual information so much faster, so you can share a lot of info quickly while connecting them to your brand at the same time. And while they are consuming this amazing content, they're hearing your voice and they're learning from your story, and this really grounds them to your brand and connects them to your message. So it's going to build trust, but even more, it's going to make them feel confident in sharing your great content with others. And let's talk about conversions. Personalized video messages have a huge impact on opt-ins and conversions. Now, I know we can't do this for everyone, but you can make it a regular part of your sales and marketing routine to just record a quick personalized message to check in with a prospect that's maybe nearing that purchase decision point, or a current client who's nearing time to renew or to scale up to that next level. One video touch point from you can make all the difference, reminding them why they love you and your brand. It can really turn a prospect or a first-time client into a lifelong customer. Video builds great rapport with your prospects and your current clients. It will help you grow your list and increase conversion rates. Now, the idea of creating these videos might feel a little overwhelming at first thought, but with the right strategy in place, it will easily become a normal part of your business routine, and it's going to yield massive results for your business. Use the link in the comments below to book a call with me. I'll help you tailor a video strategy for your business that's going to be fun and easy to implement, but better yet, it's going to connect you and your audience in a powerful way and get results.